How to install plugins in AudioDirector. First of all, open AudioDirector on your computer. Make sure your project is ready or open any audio file to test the plugin after installation. Next, locate the plugin file you want to install. AudioDirector supports BST, BST3 and AU plugin formats, so ensure your plugin is compatible with your operating system and the version of AudioDirector you are using. Then go to the File menu in AudioDirector and select the Import VST plugin option from the drop-down. Browse the location of your plugin file, select it and click Open to import the plugin into AudioDirector. Once imported, the plugin will be available in the Apply Effects section. Open the plugin, adjust the settings as needed and apply it to your audio track for enhanced effect and creative possibilities. Now you know how to install plugins in AudioDirector. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.